Welcome back, guys. I'm Colin Nungesser, and that's my grandpa over there. And today we are going to be working on my car, my 1965 Ford Mustang. And today we are going to be installing new upper ball joints and some new wheel cylinders. So we'll get right to it. Then you're going to want to get a jack. Put it right under there, because we are doing the ball joints right now, the upper ball joints. And then loosen the lug nuts and then carry on from there. Alright, I want to show you guys all the goop in this old ball joint here.
Oh my goodness.
It's just coming out like that. So that's why we're replacing it. And it also makes vibration when we're driving the car. Ugh. Breathe all this in.
Good for your lungs.
Yeah. Look at all that crap coming up. Turns out our previous ball joint is riveted in. So what we have to do is we have to drill it, all four of them, and hopefully we can get it out and then get our other one in. We'll get right to it.
Does that mean that it was the original ball joint?
Yeah, it does.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Alright guys, this is day 2 of installing the upper ball joints. Yesterday we ran out of sunlight and we didn't have the right tools. So my mom went by Harbor Freight, bought some tools in order to get the job done. And we are working on the rivets right now. We got one fully drilled hole, one semi-drilled hole, and then we just cut the tops of these rivets off. So we're going to drill into these rivets. And of course we're going to do that on the other side, and we'll show you when it's finished.
Bottom of the concrete, you see that? It goes down and wraps underneath that thing.
It kind of is probably bent and turned.
Oh, so I gotta make it go where it goes straight down.
Yeah, and then pull it straight up. That makes sense.
Alright guys, this is day 3. After hours and hours of drilling this part right here, since it was a rivet and it got stuck, we got it out, and now it's time to install the new one. And we're gonna clean it up, get it new, and hopefully we can get it done today. Finally, after 3 days of installing this new upper ball joint, we've got the tire back on. It's up there, you can't really see it that much, but took 3 hard days of drilling hard, grinding stuff off, and it's a lot harder if you have the original parts on your car because there was rivets, so we had to drill for hours and hours and hours, and that wasn't fun, but we got one side on. We'll do the other one a different day, and we're gonna take a break for the day. And huge shout out to my brother Braden for coming out to help me. He didn't have to, but he did. Huge shout out to my mom, of course, for buying the parts and helping me as well, and my grandpa, who offered to help me the first time, and my neighbor Uncle Mike. Thank you all for helping me out on this. Now my muscles are all sore, but that was replacing an upper ball joint on a 1965 Ford Mustang. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, please drop a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.